Hey, what's up YouTube? I just got this package from Blaine yesterday, and this is the first time I'm opening it. So let's find out what's inside. Look at that. Wow. Just look at that. Gatorbacks from Blaine. Look at this. Really artistic. Just look at that. I really like the alligator design. It's really cool. Alligator inside with the girl. I'm guessing here's a compass. Yeah, it's a compass. I don't know why they put that there. And girl with this alligator. So let's figure out how to open this thing. Look at that. Wow. Just look at that. Gatorbacks. You released them on Labor Day, I guess. And just look at this. Look at that. Back design. It's really dark. It's all black except for the alligator. Yeah, look at that. Wow. So I ordered 12 because that was a special for $60. And I'm planning to get on the other Gatorbacks also. Wait, let's just leave that open. Let's try to open.